重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, I'm Joseph Lin, and time for another Hakka song on ICRT. And we got Tito Tang for you, who likes to draw a lot of his music from Latin beats. In fact, this song is in the style of reggaeton. It's called Buscandote, which means searching for you, or in Hakka, Chin-m. And it's about him returning to his homeland, to the clear rivers and beautiful landscape, to look for his loved one.
想轉到過去失落嘅所在，其實地方有夢的你愛來轉動，可是將涼風四季寒將我，望地下下多帶緊寒吹夢，想轉去兩沙舒適嘅所在，望地下下寒氣的愛夢。天空也比青茉莉嘅種來，有沒有咩是喜的色彩？愛嘅心裡多你一生就七送伴郎，遙遙公公無奈何嘅緣分，春夏秋冬，當一晚也無窮用嘅夢，甘願很多你灑來勇氣，愛嘅心裡多你一生就七送伴郎，遙遙公公無奈何嘅緣分，春夏秋冬，當夜晚也無窮用嘅夢，願那一生的笑裡，真情萬古血。他想轉到過去失落嘅所在。其實地方有夢的你愛來轉動，河水長長涼風四季寒將我，望地下下都帶緊寒吹夢，我想轉去兩沙舒適嘅所在，望地下下寒氣的愛夢，
歌手唐雨欣呢，很喜欢把浓厚的拉丁风格带到他的歌曲里，就像这首《情》，采用的是 reggaeton 的编制，让他唱出呢对伊人的思念。当他踏上记忆中的故土，看到这些美丽的风景，心情呢不禁期待了起来，想到两人相似的地方，然后去寻找伊人的踪影。不晓得他是否还记得自己呢？好浪漫的一首歌哦！希望大家喜欢这首《情》。And that is today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.